Hey, I'm Doug with DeckWise.com. Today we're going to be installing some hardwood decking using our E-Pay clip hidden deck fasteners and color match screws. At DeckWise, we're all about products that help speed up and simplify the installation of your hardwood decking. Today, because we're installing a hidden deck fastener, always going to reach for my drill and drive tool. This tool is going to help you speed up pre-drilling for your hardwoods and then installing your fasteners. No matter what kind of deck you're building, especially when you're working with hardwood decks, you always want to maintain even gaps and you want your boards to be run perfectly straight. We've got a couple of great products that are going to help you do that. First, DeckWise spacer tools, simple to use. Drop them in between your deck boards. Now to straighten this board out and maintain an even gap, you got our hardwood wrench. Simply drop it onto the joist, position it where you want it, rotate the handle, cam design locks in place, frees up both of my hands to install my next row of fasteners. Alright, so we're wrapping up our hardwood decking project. You can find out more about our products like our spacer tools, color match screws, E-Pay clip hidden deck fasteners, drill and drive, and our hardwood wrench over at DeckWise.com. You can download our installation guide at DeckWise.com. See you guys next time.